Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is TJ and the topic of today's video is how to write engaging emails in order to get sales. I encourage you to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that subscribe button below. Welcome back. I'd like to invite you to check out our description below this video and check out our #1 recommendation for making full-time income online. So click that link below. Hopefully by now you use some of the email marketing software or tools that I have explained in my previous videos. If you still don't know what that is and why you need it, check out my channel and search for videos on Aweber or email marketing in general. So in this video, I'd like to give you some rules of engagement in reference to email marketing. By rules, I mean something that is a good practice and something that can bring you many sales if you're in business of affiliate marketing. So the first rule or tip is to send emails daily. By that, I don't mean to send boring emails or aggressive emails. An easy way to think of this is if someone is seeking out information or they are interested in a particular niche, it would be really naive for us to think that we are the only person's list that they are on. So you need to be connected to your leads, to your audience. You need to provide value, make them laugh, and engage with them. You're probably thinking right now, oh my God, nobody will read it, and so many emails would mean spam. That's no. There is always an opportunity for your leads to unsubscribe from your list. But think about yourself and your business. You don't want to be forgotten. So send emails daily because you only want to be communicating with people that want your information. Second rule or tip is always to be pointing. If you're in affiliate marketing business, then you need to sell. Your goal is to lead people to click on your link and to buy whatever you're promoting or selling. So we need to point people in the direction of information or products and services that can help them. Your emails should follow that logic. With every email, you're leading people in that same direction. So basically to get more information. You're a bridge between the potential customer and the product. So you just need to lead people to click on that affiliate link and the website will do the rest. Third rule is to create a compound effect. Your emails do not have to be all like go, 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 there's a bonus, 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 then buy, 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 and time is running out. Instead, think of it as creating anticipation, and your leads do not know what comes next. They will actually look forward to receiving your emails the next day. It's not just about selling, but it should be informational, it's educational, and it gets them to feel a certain way, so they look forward to your emails. As you're creating your email campaigns, make sure that you're creating a compound effect that builds upon each email, that leaves your prospect in anticipation of that next email. So the fourth rule is to create a schedule or plan ahead. This rule can be applied to any business, and it's always better to plan ahead. Hence, you have time to think about it before, make it better, and be closer to your goals. Now, if you have a product that is going to launch in a month, then you need to start planning now. You want to always be planning, drafting out those emails, writing those same emails, and figuring out exactly what direction you want to take, what you want to say, how you want your prospects and your leads to feel, and how are you going to be unique in your emails. Again, this is to have that compound effect that we discussed before. You need to put some thoughts in your emails. Sometimes the first draft won't do the trick, so you have to make it better. It's about your creativity, but also knowing what works and what does not work. And the fifth rule is to write emails that fits other campaigns or platforms. So meaning you need to repurpose your email content. So if you're putting your creativity into your emails and they're really original thoughts and ideas, you want to learn how to repurpose your email content. All this basically means that if you use Facebook, if you use Instagram, and if you're using your blog for your business, you need to learn how to take the content inside of your email and use them in other places in your marketing routines, campaigns, or whatever you're having. I mean, do not repurpose it, all of it, but if you know you wrote an email that would be really great for your audience on Facebook, then learn how to repurpose it and write it and post it in such a way where it makes sense for Facebook, because it's a different kind of audience. So those are my 5 main points for you. I mean, it's a good idea to stick to those, but also I would like to mention some other tips and tricks that it's good to have in your mind, and see how those can be useful in your campaigns. This is more of like a formula to success. I have probably mentioned those before, but it's always a good thing to repeat some things. So these are my 4 other tips. So you must have a great subject line with your every email. Subject line matters because it's the very first thing your reader will see. You have an opportunity here to make a great first impression. So you need to send an email that has an effective subject line. When crafting your subject line, keep the following questions in mind. If you read it, would you want to open this email? Does this sound like an interesting email to open? Is there a clever quote or phrase you can use? The second thing is that your emails should be clear and easy to read. So don't beat around the bush, just get to the point. Always introduce yourself, identify your connection to the reader, clearly state the purpose of your email, and provide call to action. Also make it easy for the reader to contact you or unsubscribe from your list. A third important thing is that you have your call to action. I mean, we are here to make money, so have a clear call to action in your email and lead them to click on your link. And the fourth tip would be you should focus on how you want your readers to feel after they have read your email. Ask yourself questions like, does the reader have a clear understanding of why they're receiving the email? And does your reader feel celebrated and appreciated in that email? And so forth. I mean, you can ask many other questions, but those are some to have in mind. So those are my tips or rules, if you like to call them like that. I hope you enjoyed this video and this topic. So subscribe to our channel by smashing that subscribe button below. And also check out our description box for our #1 recommendation for making full-time income online. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.